So we're heading out to the Drone Zone Sanctuary. We've left Borrego Springs. We're heading out on the Salton Seaway. We're actually on a road called Peg Leg Road right now, and we're going to make a right turn pretty soon. Peg Leg Road is named after Peg Leg Smith, who is a semi-famous explorer slash gold miner slash professional liar who used to live out in Borrego Springs. Anyway, interesting character from what I've heard. So we're making the right turn. This is a popular area for people to camp. So you usually see a whole lot of campers along the side of the road. This is within Anza Borrego State Park boundaries. You're allowed to camp for free as long as you're not blocking a road. Okay, so now you see there's a whole bunch of excuse me, there's a whole bunch of telephone poles on the right side of the road. So you keep going, and pretty soon the last telephone pole will go over to the left side of the road. And once that happens, once the telephone lines go above your head, you're very close to the turnoff to the Drone Zone Sanctuary. So you see right up ahead, we still have the telephone poles on the right side of the road, and then they're going to go over to the left side. So we're going to start slowing down here. Get ready for a kind of a hidden, sharp right turn. And I hope you have four-wheel drive, because this is probably not a road to be driving in your Prius or your Porsche or anything like that. Okay, so the telephone poles have moved from the right side to the left side. We start slowing down. Now you can see a sign in the distance, and here's the drop-off right here. So we go down the drop-off. And you can see we pass a couple of state park signs because we're going through the state park initially to get out there. And Anza Borrego State Park has decided to ban drones, but they don't own the Drone Zone Sanctuary, so we can fly drones in the Drone Zone Sanctuary. So anyway, this road seems pretty well packed right now. I don't know if they got a little bit of rain out here or something, but in the summer this thing is really dry and loose. You got to be careful on it. I'm still in two-wheel drive. I'm driving a Toyota Sequoia, so it's kind of a big beastly car that tends to just drive over everything anyway. But if you're in a two-wheel drive, you probably should bring a shovel and some stuff like that just in case you get stuck. Not necessarily here, but up ahead. So we keep driving along this road. Yeah, it looks like somebody's out there already in the Drone Zone Sanctuary. We've had 2 visitors this week, which is like an all-time record. So the ruts in the road are pretty well entrenched here, so you can kind of fly around these curves. Your wheels will stay in. Yeah, there's somebody out there already. That's great. That's great. That's why we set it up, so people use it. Okay, you see this white stake off here to the left? This is the southwest corner of the Drone Zone Sanctuary. So once you see that stake with the white thing on it, you're pretty close to the turnoff onto the mini airstrip within the Drone Zone Sanctuary. So a few more kind of twisty little curves here. And you want to start looking on your left for the turnoff. That's going to be right up ahead. Here it is. And we kind of hit it hard. I'm still in two-wheel drive, so we did a little fishtailing there, but that's fine. Oh yeah, we got a visitor. Cool. Okay. And then we're in the airstrip right now. This used to be an ultralight airstrip, and we drive down to the southern tip.
Can I?
Yeah, you can turn it off. I think so. Anyway, here we are. We're at the Drone Zone Sanctuary.